All right. Welcome to the Chop It Up Kitchen where we're chopping up food and conversation. That's right, Dr. Sebi Style. Give me a minute, and as always, we about to get up in it. All right, thank you for joining me for another episode. Before we get started, for my people that's checking me out that's not a subscriber, please hit the subscriber button. Please make sure your notification on. Today we gonna be doing something new for you again. You know I'm always doing something new. We're gonna take something that you would traditionally throw away. Butternut squash seeds. You're probably thinking to yourself, well, that's something I don't eat. I could throw that away. No, you can actually keep those and make them into a nutritional snack. An alternative to sunflower seeds, alternative to pumpkin seeds. Dr. Sebi approved. Butternut squash seeds, roasted up, seasoned real good. You can use them in trail mix or you can use them as standalone snack. It's up to you. So that's what we're about to get into today. So give me a minute, and you know what? As always, we're about to get up in it.
We have butternut squash seeds, cayenne pepper, sea salt, onion powder, parchment paper, sparkling spring water, grapeseed oil. Those are your ingredients. First, you want to start off by cleaning the butternut squash seeds with sparkling spring water. You want to massage them as good as you can to get them nice and clean, to get the residue from the butternut squash off the seeds. Then you want to place them on a napkin to kind of dry them out so you can go ahead and prepare for seasoning. Yep, get them all in there. Alrighty, got them just about in there. Now you want to kind of fold them into the napkin to kind of dry them out. Press down lightly to absorb the water. Now we're going to prepare them for seasoning. Spray them down with a nice amount of grapeseed oil. I'll say about a half a teaspoon. 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. However you like it to be spicy. It's a guideline. Remember, always a guideline. 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, or season to taste, baby. Season to taste. You can't forget about onion powder, about a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. And we're gonna kind of massage it, season around them a little bit, just to get them lightly coated a little bit. Once we coated them a little bit, we're going to kind of shake them around like Grandma used to do back in the day with that fried chicken in that brown paper bag. You know how Grandma used to do. Shake them up a little bit to get them fully coated so we can prepare to go ahead and get them roasted. Got them in the Ziploc. I like to go ahead and get them really coated real good because the flavor absorbs in them real good. like I say, with the seasoning, it's always to taste. You know, I just gave you a guideline, like my grandma used to say, a guideline. And we're gonna take this parchment paper, spread it over equally of the cookie sheet. We're almost there. Take the coated butternut squash seeds, spread them over the cookie sheet evenly. Alrighty, got them on the cookie sheet. Just spread them over nice and evenly so they can cook evenly through. You don't want them sitting on top of each other, you know. You want to cook them nice and evenly. Roast them nice and evenly, that is. Okay, I think that's about it. This looks good.
All right, we got them seeds, butternut squash seeds, baby, ready to go. We're gonna pop them in the oven for about 10 minutes at about 230. You wanna check them in between because you don't want them to roast too long because we just wanna get them a little crispy and dry out some of the seasoning so it'll bond to it, give it that flavor. It's gonna be good, baby.
Pop them bad boys in that oven.
All right, we got them butternut squash seeds, mock pumpkin seeds or sunflower seeds, however you want to call it, all ready to go. And as always, you know, it's the taste test. Oh man, I miss sunflower seeds. Just like butter, baby, just like butter. As always, like, share, and subscribe. Hit you on the flip side. Dr. Sebi Style. And always remember, your health is your wealth. Stay tuned to the next video.